Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this beautiful girl, it's your girl Hadiza, and to my returning subscribers, you're welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this clove in achieving a clear skin. So if this is what you're interested in, don't forget to click the subscribe button and watch to the end. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So guys, I've been battling with acne for a very long time. Really can't remember because it has been very long, guys. So I've used a lot of products. When I said I've used a lot of products, guys, I have used a lot of products, but none seems to be giving me an effect. Like, it doesn't even give me something good. When I use this product, it gives me kind of like a result in like 1 week. The following week it reappear, like it even gets worse. So because of that, I stopped using different products on my face. I decided to just leave my face like that. Let it just be. Anybody that do not like my face like that, let it get. So actually it was actually affecting me, because it was actually affecting my confidence and all that. So on this day I was reading about clove, and I came across when it says it helps in exfoliating the skin, and it has this it cures skin from acne. I was like, okay, I am interested in that part. So I researched more on it, and I discovered that the people that used it actually used it as a face mask on their face. So I went to the market, I went to search for the grounded one so I can use that face mask as well, but I didn't get that, so I got this one, which I was actually using it. And the way I was using it was that I mixed it with my body oil, and I was using it as
So what I basically did was to add a little of my body oil inside the container, then add water and the clove inside as well. So I started using it on my face, morning and evening. That was what I was using. In case you don't understand, that's why I'm doing the voice record.
Guys, the result I got was something else. In 1 week I got the result. I was like, okay, like the other products I've been using, I'll get the result for 1 week and it will reappear. So I just decided to just chillax and watch the moment. Guys, I've been using this thing for like a month plus, guys, and it's working magic. It's working perfectly. It's giving me the desired result I wanted. So I would really recommend, if you've been battling with acne and you've used several products as me, I guess you should just try this. I'm not giving you a guarantee to work for you, but you should just give it a try. It might work for you because it is working for me, girl, and I am liking my skin. I am liking my skin. I am liking my skin. I'm going to be putting a before and after pictures for you to see, guys, so you know the result. So as you can see, guys, as you can see my forehead, there is nothing there. My skin is basically glowing. So if you want your skin, your face to heal the acne and all that, I guess you should try it out. Though it's not perfectly good, you can see some spots. I'm still using it, yeah, and trusting the process because I know it's gonna be perfect. So guys, and for the glove, it's very affordable. Like, it's very affordable. It's very cheap. You can even get the one of 100 naira, to tell you how cheap it is. If you're in Nigeria, you can get one of 100 naira. So guys, try it out and boost back your confidence by glowing and having a clear face. Bye. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Share to those people you know that they will need this video. Share to your friends, your loved ones, your family members, everybody. Bye guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.